Salut, comment ça va? Welcome back to my channel C'est Français. In today's video, we are going to learn how to say time in French, l'heure en français. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe so you don't miss any videos in the future. Also, if you have not watched my previous video about numbers in French, do watch because it is related to that topic. Let's continue. So, how to ask time in French is quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Which means what is the time? You reply to this question by saying il est, which means it is, and followed by the time. So, in French, we use the 24-hour clock and not the 12-hour clock which we use in India. So, if I want to say 12 a.m. in French, it is il est minuit, it is midnight, because we start the time by saying il est. So, il est minuit, it is midnight. If I want to say 12 p.m. in French, it is il est midi, it is noon. Let's learn how to say the time from 1 a.m. to 11 a.m. If I want to say 1 a.m., which is 1 hours, il est une heure, it is 1 o'clock. This is 1 a.m. at night, il est une heure. 7 a.m. il est 7 heures, it is 7 o'clock. 11 a.m. il est 11 heures, it is 11 o'clock. We already know 12 p.m. is il est midi. Let's continue from 1 p.m. to 11 p.m. Now, in France, they never use AM PM because they don't follow 12-hour clock. Instead, they follow the 24-hour clock. They will say 11 hours, 12 hours, 2 hours, etc. So, let's continue. 1 p.m. in French will be 13 hours. Why 13? Because 1 p.m. is after 12 p.m. So, you add 12 plus 1, that gives you 13. So, you will say il est 13 heures. 5 p.m. il est 17 heures. You will add 5 to 12. So, it gives you 17. Il est 17 heures. It is 17 hours. 9 p.m. in French is il est 21 heures, 21 hours. Same way 11 p.m. in French is 23 hours. Il est 23 heures. Let's learn how to say hours and minutes. So, for 12:20 a.m. il est minuit 20. Now here what is happening? Just after your hours, you have to say your minutes. So you don't have to specifically say minuit as such, but you just say the number of minutes. So 12:20 a.m. first you say what is 12 a.m. So il est minuit, and then 20 minutes, so 20. Same way 12:20 p.m. will be il est midi 20. 10:04 a.m. il est 10h04. So same thing is happening over here. First you will look at the hours, which is 10 hours, 10 a.m. So il est 10h, and then you add the number of the minutes. So 4 for 4. Same way 10:04 p.m. will be il est 22h04. 2:55 a.m. il est 2h55. And 2:55 p.m. il est 14h55. 8:30 a.m. il est 8h30. 8:30 p.m. il est 20h30. 11:17 a.m. il est 11h17. 11:17 p.m. il est 23h17. Now here you can add any minute that you want to. It can be 15, 17, whatever. You just need to write down the number for that particular minute. So for that you can refer to my video about numbers and learn them. So it will be easy for you to remember and write. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was useful in any ways, hit the like button, and once again don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post many videos related to the French culture and the French grammar. Au revoir. Bye.